Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we're making plant-based pumpkin pancakes. Fluffy, cozy and perfect for fall. These vegan pancakes are packed with warm spices and real pumpkin, making them a delicious way to welcome the season. Whether you're enjoying a slow weekend breakfast or meal prepping for the week, these pancakes bring all the autumn vibes without any dairy or eggs. Let's get cooking. Gather your ingredients. Wet. 1 cup of pureed pumpkin. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 2 cups of plant milk. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. 8 tablespoons maple syrup. Dry. 2 cups whole wheat flour. 2 teaspoons cinnamon. 4 teaspoons baking powder. In one bowl, mix together your wet ingredients and set aside. In a separate bowl, mix together all of your dry ingredients. Then mix your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Preheat your non-stick frying pan on a medium heat. Pour your mix into your pan in round circles. Cook till golden brown, then flip and cook on the other side. It's time to flip your pancakes when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges are set. Use a wide spatula to gently slide under the pancake, then swiftly flip it in one confident motion. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. And there you have it, warm, fluffy, plant-based pumpkin pancakes that are full of fall flavor. Whether you top them with maple syrup, nut butter, or a sprinkle of cinnamon, they're a cozy, satisfying way to start your day. You can find this recipe in my cookbook. I'll leave a link to that below so you can check it out for even more delicious breakfast recipes. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.